Okay, a little bit of a hurry to do to film this. I took this here. As I said, I was gonna try picking it, and I wasn't gonna repin it or anything, but I repinned it. I took it when I took it apart to clean it. It had it had 6 holes for 6 pins, and it only had 5. So I went and it had standard pins in the bottom. And I put all new American pins, which have serrations on them, and the 6 pin top pin has serrations because it's an American pin also. Now the top pin, so all of them are pretty much serrated in the bottom. I went from this here 5 pin key to this here 6 pin. This is the bitting I chose. The last one I had a hard time cutting because I don't have any 6 pin depth keys, so I just made it similar to the second to last, to the 5th pin. So, and it's a little sticky. It's a little sticky, like I said, but it works. Just like that. It's a little sticky, but not too bad. It seems like it moves a little better than it did earlier when I did it. But that's that. Sorry for cutting it short, but I have to go.